So I'm out here in my yard, and I have this. So I'm out here in my yard, right? And I have this low area in my backyard that is. So I'm out here in my backyard. I have this low area that really there's no grass or anything back here, and it's just flat. It's just a little flat area down here at the base corner of my backyard that my son has been cultivating. My son has been composting this area for the last year and a half, two, and literally there was nothing green in it. I've been here over 5 years now, and there has never been anything green in this area because it's just fully sun. It was just hard dirt, and yeah, just nothing green. Man, when I tell y'all, I came out here about a month ago. My mom said, "Mom, come here and look." And he brought me down to the corner of this yard, man, and it was almost covered in green. So first year ever, he was like, "Yeah, that's from all the composting I've been doing." So he low-key been getting this area ready because he wants to plant something. So I came over here and I turned over this area, and it's just, when I tell you, like full of earthworms. And like, if you want to know the sign of good soil, if you see a lot of earthworms, yeah, you got a gold mine. But anywho, I'm out here and I turned over a section. I would say this section is it's probably about a 7 by 5 section in this back corner back here. And I think I'm going to go ahead and plant all my root vegetables down here. So my potatoes, my beets, carrots, and things of that nature, so that I could leave my garden beds for the other above ground vegetables. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. And when he started composting this area a couple years, so when he started composting this area about a year and a half ago, at first he was getting on my nerves because I'm seeing all these, you just throwing all these orange hulls and apple cores and all this other crap, from the kitchen back here. And I see him down here swirling the dirt around with the shovel, and he get down there on his knees and he's digging and mixing it all in and throwing leaves on top. And I'm like, what is this doing? What is this buster doing in the backyard, right? But hey, he knew what he was doing. Because when I tell you, there's some good dirt down here, nice and brown and rich. Yeah, it was all like red clay. When I tell you, it was all like red dirt. And like I said, nothing green was over here. But yeah, he did the doggone thing down here, baby. He really did. And I'm excited to come down here and get some stuff growing. So stay tuned.